Let's see. I'm sorry.
Definite peanut allergy. Oh, go ahead.
Oh. And the egg, the whole egg. Let me measure it.
Are you looking at the one right above the peanut?
Yes, ma'am.
And what is that one? I'm sorry.
That is whole egg.
Whole egg.
She got that too. She can't eat egg.
Oh, Malia? That's right. She can't eat eggs. You're right. What's that one?
That is shellfish.
No different me.
Okay.
And it's not quite 5 millimeters. You know, 5 millimeters is a good, strong positive, and that's 4, so it's kind of...
Just kind of keep an eye out.
Well, he may ask us to do RAS testing. Did you have to do any of that?
I can't even remember.
Where they draw blood and check again, you know, he may say that, you know, just to kind of watch.
Okay.
But he'll definitely come in here and really let you
Talk through it.
Yeah, really
Okay.
go through everything. And let me check this positive control here. Tilt your head down just a bit there, buddy.
Such a good flavor.
All right, buddy. It's okay. I'm just going to
She's just looking. She's not going to stick you, honey.
Sticks.